around us are made up of large variety of material. We can just take any example. So it is made up of large variety of material. It can be made up of wood, it can be made up of cotton, it can be made up of steel, iron, glass. So plastic, many materials are available, and a given material could be used to make large number of objects. Okay, so objects can be made up of only one material, or it can be made up of various material. Like if I talk about water bottle, so water bottle can be made up of various material, like it can be made up of plastic, the body can be of plastic, cap can be metallic.
It
So
can be copper.
yeah, it can be made up of copper. So you can have various types of water bottle made up of many types of material. And look, different materials have different properties. So the materials have different properties. Some are like transparent, some are translucent, some are opaque, some are very shiny in appearance, like metal are shiny. Okay, their texture may be different. Some are smooth, some are rough. Some are smooth, some are rough. Okay, while if I talk about material, some can be soluble in water. Like if I talk about sugar and salt, they are
Like
soluble
insoluble.
in water. While if I talk about sand or chalk powder,
Insoluble.
it is insoluble in water.
Ma'am, does glucose dissolve in water?
Yeah, it dissolve in water. You might
And
have.
when you drink Tang or some glucon,
Ma'am,
so it is dissolved.
ma'am, but if I dissolve it, I can see it properly.
But it gets dissolved. If you stir it properly, then it will get dissolved.
Okay.
So if you are ready, we can start with exercise. So please write this exercise in your copy. So do tell me if you are ready for exercise. Do you have copy and pen in front of you?
Ma'am, I'm just bringing.
Okay, please bring it up.
Ma'am, me also.
Bring it up.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm here.
There is.
Okay, so please write first question, then we will write its answer.
Ma'am, which exercise?
Which is in front of you?
No, is there any exercise number?
That is fourth
First.
chapter. Chapter number 4, you can write sorting material into the group.
Ma'am, they don't join science.
Hirday will be joining science soon. So if it is written question, can we discuss the answer?
Yes, ma'am. I have written question.
Ma'am, we got our marks also for that.
Okay. Name 5 objects which can be made
Ma'am,
from
written.
wood. What is the answer?
Ma'am, first is chair.
Chair.
Ma'am, second can metal.
Yeah.
Ma'am, pencil.
Pencil.
Ma'am, third is table.
Correct.
Ma'am, fourth is papers also.
Doors. You can say doors.
Ma'am, papers.
Bed. Yes. Boat.
Ma'am, is paper also.
Yes, paper is also, but explicit जो दिखते हैं ना wood वाले
stool.
वो बताने चाहिए. मनन, do you got my point?
Yeah, ma'am.
हमें देखने में भी wood
Ma'am,
वाले
sofa.
दिखते हैं. Sofa can be wooden. So now we have sufficient number. Chair, pencil, table, door, bed, boat. So ये सब तो आप देख सकते हो, उनको बाहर ही उनके wood दिखाई देती है. So please everyone write. Then we can move to question number 2. तो question number 2 के लिए 2 lines छोड़ दो. क्लास ओवर होने के बाद क्वेश्चन लिख लेना. अभी हम आंसर लिख लो मेरे साथ में. Is it okay? What do you say? Is it okay to everyone?
Ma'am, it will come in 3 lines.
हाँ 3 lines छोड़ दो. No issue.
Yeah, ma'am. You can start.
Okay. Select those objects from the following which shine.
Ma'am, first is steel spoon and the glass bowl.
You are correct. Glass bowl and steel spoon shine. So please write the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes, Samarth.
can you tell what you said? I wasn't able to hear.
Yeah, we have done question number 2. That is,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to select from the objects which shine,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I have just tick mark it up.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have wrote the question also.
Okay, so question number 3, just leave the space.
Ma'am,
Oh.
can metal?
Match the objects given below with the material from they are made up of. So you have to make this table. Remember, an object could be made from more than one material, and a given material could be used for making many objects. So it can have multiple answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Ma'am,
please,
book is made up of paper.
you are correct, Samarth. Book is made up of paper. So you have to just make the table and just
Tumbler is made
connect
up
this.
of leather.
Tumbler.
Ma'am, tumbler is made up of plastic.
Tumbler can be made up of glass.
Ma'am, it can be made up of leather also.
Plastic, it can be made up of leather also, but leather should be the outer covering, Manan.
Yeah.
Okay. The inner covering of tumbler should be metallic or like glass, or it can be wooden.
Ma'am, do we have to choose one option from these?
No, you can choose multiple options, no issue.
Ma'am, chair is made up of wood
Chair is made up of wood.
and plastic.
You are correct. Chair is made up of wood and plastic.
Ma'am, shoe leather.
Shoes are made up of leather. You are correct.
Ma'am, only leather, not from paper, not
Ma'am,
from...
toy plastic.
Toys are made up of plastics.
Ma'am, toys are made up of wood also. Toys are
Yes.
made up of glass also.
Toys are made up of wood also. You are correct.
Ma'am, how glass? How?
ग्लास मतलब वो कुछ टॉयज आते हैं ना आपके जो ग्लास के भी बने हुए होते हैं मे बी, पर ग्लास जनरली अवॉइड किया जाता है क्योंकि छोटे बच्चों के कांटेक्ट में ग्लास वी डोंट वांट टू गिव देम.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is better to I suggest you that you should say toys are made up of plastic and wood. ग्लास के टॉय अवॉइड करो बड़े बच्चों को. हाँ बोलो.
I think this question means that plastic and glass both are making some toys.
Yeah,
So
it
like
can be
that
made up of both. It can be made up of only plastic or only wood, anything.
Ma'am, 1 minute, I'm making table.
Okay, okay. Please complete it.
Ma'am, have you seen my notebook which I'm sending you on your personal number?
Yeah, I'm checking it up.
Ma'am, Samarth is not added in our group.
Samarth is there on the group. Samarth is sending the work to me personally.
Okay.
So that
So
is
ma'am, ma'am, I did not know about that. Yes, submitted the work or not.
Yeah, no problem. So please complete it and try to solve question number 4 also. Then we will discuss. पहले ये टेबल कंप्लीट कर लो और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सॉल्व करो.
Ma'am, I have written like 3 book dash people. Ma'am, will it work? Tumbler dash glass. Like that, ma'am.
Samarth, you are inquiring something?
Yes, ma'am, I'm saying that I have written like book dash people, tumbler dash glass, and
I'm done with writing.
Okay, please complete. Yes, that is okay, Samarth. No problem.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am on the last one only.
Okay, please finish it. Then move to question number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, done. I'm just writing the question 4.
Ma'am, Tanmay not done.
Okay, so can we start with first part?
Yes, ma'am.
Stone is transparent while glass is opaque. What do you say, Tanmay?
Ma'am, false.
It is
Stone
a
are not transparent.
correct.
And glass we can see properly.
Very good. So it is a false statement. A notebook has luster while eraser does not. What do you say, Manan?
Ma'am, what is luster?
Luster means shine.
Ma'am, can Samar tell?
Yes, Samar.
Ma'am, luster was fully explained in the chapter.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, do I have to tell or Manan?
You.
Okay, ma'am, false.
My laptop shut down.
Ma'am, because you
No.
said Manan's name first.
No problem. So notebook has luster. Notebook do not have luster while eraser does not. So it is a false statement. Third is who is ready with the answer? Chalk.
Ma'am, Manan,
Yes, Manan.
ma'am, false.
It is
Ma'am,
also,
because chalk does not dissolve in the water.
you are correct. So fourth one is piece of wood floats on water. Samarth, yes.
Ma'am, this is true. Ma'am, because density of wood is less than density of water.
Correct. So piece of wood floats on water. Tanmay, are you writing answer? Please write
Ma'am, it is opaque or opaque?
opaque.
Okay.
So all of you have written.
Ma'am, no, I'm writing. Ma'am, but the second statement how is false that eraser also does not have luster.
See, luster means shine. So you,
Yeah, ma'am, but eraser don't have luster.
but half statement is I should look for full statement. Is it true as a full statement or not? So notebook
ma'am.
has luster. So make it fast.
Ma'am, done.
Done.
Okay. Sugar does not dissolve in water.
Ma'am, can I tell the fifth?
Yeah,
Ma'am, can I tell the sixth?
yeah,
Ma'am, can I tell the fifth?
yeah.
Ma'am, it is no. It is false.
Sorry.
It is false. Sugar does not dissolve in water. So in fact, sugar dissolve in water.
Yes, ma'am. Sugar dissolved in water. Dissolved in water. Ma'am, can submit till second one?
Yes,
Ma'am, false. Ma'am, oil does not mix in water.
correct. It is immiscible.
Yes,
Oil
ma'am.
and water,
Are immiscible.
correct. So seventh one is sand settles down in water.
True. Because sand has more density from water.
Correct. So sand is insoluble and has more density than water. So it will settle down. Last one is vinegar dissolves in water.
Ma'am, can submit it?
Yes,
Ma'am, true.
it is true. Vinegar dissolve in water.
Ma'am, 10 me left.
Okay. So please complete it up.
Ma'am, should we wait for Tanmay?
No problem. Just complete it up. He can take the screenshot once he joined again.
Ma'am, done. Writing the fifth question. Ma'am, do we write the questions also?
You can write it once the class get over. Just write the answer right now, so that you have correct answer with you.
Ma'am, did it.
Okay. So question number 5 is given below are the names of some object and material. You have to group them as round shaped and other shape. You have to find which are round shape. So just put it in the category of round shape, and the second column should be other shape. Similarly, in the B part, you have to categorize them into eatable and non-eatable. So let's start with round shape.
Ma'am, can submit it?
Yes, which are round shape, Samarth?
Ma'am, basketball, orange, globe.
Basketball.
Ma'am, apple?
Yes, ma'am,
Orange,
apple also.
apple, globe, and earthen pitcher. Earthen
Ma'am,
pitcher,
what is that?
which we call in Hindi matka.
Okay, ma'am.
That is earthen pitcher.
Ma'am, I just got a new about now. I just don't know about before.
Earthen pitcher. I have drawn the diagram also. See,
No,
I'm
ma'am.
like this. This is earthen pitcher. which is used in summers for storing the water to make it cool. So this all are round.
Ma'am, I have a then picture in my home and I painted it.
Good, good. You filled it up.
Yeah, ma'am, daily.
Very good. That is a good help to your mother. Samarth, what is your responsibility at home?
Ma'am, to water the plants.
You water the plants daily
Yes, ma'am.
without
Ma'am.
fail?
What, ma'am?
Without fail?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Ma'am, but I don't water the plant today because it was raining.
Good, good. So Manan, what are your responsibility at home?
Ma'am, filling the pitcher and giving waters to plant. Help my mother in cooking.
You cook also?
Yeah, ma'am.
Wow. What can you do? You can do chopping?
Ma'am, I just make chapatis and my mother serves.
Oh, you can make chapati, meaning I mean to say, can you roast it up also?
Yeah, ma'am.
That's so great. Excellent, I should say. Very good, Manan. That's a big help.
Thank you, ma'am.
Other shapes, that should be
Ma'am,
water,
Water, sugar,
water, sugar.
and ma'am, I think no more left.
Yeah, only two, water and sugar.
Ma'am, but next is that na eatable or non-eatable?
Yeah. Which are eatables?
Ma'am, eatables are water, orange, sugar, apple.
You're correct. Water, orange,
Ma'am, can you submit it?
sugar.
Ma'am, what is orange, sugar, apple?
It is correct. Non-eatables,
Ma'am, can submit
Ma'am,
it?
non-eatable are earthen pitcher and globe and basketball.
okay. Samarth, what do you say?
Ma'am, globe also.
Globe, basketball,
And then picture.
correct. So both of you have done it correctly. Please write it down. Then we will proceed to the next question.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, I wrote the question also.
Same, ma'am.
Okay, so let's move to question number 6. List all items known to you that float on water. Check and see if they will float on oil and kerosene also.
Ma'am, I don't know the density of oil and kerosene. I will research it, but let me tell how to do it. Ma'am, can I?
Yeah.
Ma'am, if the density is less than oil or kerosene, then only it will float.
You are correct. So the way is you have to check the density. The substance which is lighter will float and the substance which is heavier will sink. Okay, so the substance which float on water. So what we can write, we can say wood, because you have seen boats are floating on the river.
Ma'am, ship.
So material items you have to tell me. Paper,
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
paper boat you might,
Does not float.
paper boat I am talking about.
Okay, ma'am.
So paper as a material, if it gets converted into boat, similarly I can say plastic also float.
And ma'am, boat also.
Ma'am, can I see again the true and false? My laptop has shut it down.
No problem. So Tanmay, I am recording the meeting. I will be putting it on my channel. From there you can
Okay,
see,
ma'am.
and Manan will be putting the classwork on the group also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so from there also you can see. So right now we are doing question number 6.
Ma'am, the time is over. So can you restart the meeting? It's almost over.
Yeah, I can.